Hey everyone, Sabrina here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world of flavor, spice, and pure foodie bliss. That's right, we're exploring the most mouth-watering street food from around the world that's enjoyed during Ramadan. From savory snacks to sweet treats, get ready to feast your eyes and maybe drool a little. Make sure to like and subscribe for more food adventures. Alright folks, let's kick off our journey in Morocco with a steaming bowl of harira. This soup is basically Ramadan royalty. Imagine a rich and hearty tomato-based broth, simmered to perfection with lentils, chickpeas, and tender chunks of lamb or beef. The aroma alone is enough to make your stomach rumble. Each sip is a flavor explosion, with a hint of spice and a squeeze of lemon. It's comfort food at its finest and the perfect way to break the fast during Ramadan. Next up, we're hopping over to Egypt to dig into a plate of koshari. This dish is a carb lover's paradise. Picture this, a glorious mountain of rice, pasta, and lentils, all mixed together. But wait, there's more. It's topped with a tangy and spicy tomato sauce, crispy fried onions, and a sprinkle of chickpeas for good measure. Koshari is a true celebration of textures and flavors, and it's incredibly popular during Ramadan. It's the kind of dish that just fills you up and makes you happy. Now, let's satisfy our sweet tooth with a trip to Turkey for some baklava. Oh man, this dessert is pure indulgence. Imagine layers upon layers of delicate flaky pastry, generously filled with chopped nuts like pistachios or walnuts. And to top it all off, it's drenched in a sweet, sticky syrup that's infused with honey and fragrant spices. Baklava is rich, decadent, and absolutely irresistible. It's a true celebration of sweetness and a Ramadan staple in many countries. Chapter 4. Kolak, Indonesia's sweet treat. Our next stop takes us to Indonesia, where we're diving into a bowl of kolak. This dessert is all about warmth, comfort, and natural sweetness. It features tender pieces of banana and sweet potato, simmered in a fragrant coconut milk broth that's sweetened with palm sugar. The result is a creamy, dreamy dessert that's both satisfying and refreshing. Kolak is often enjoyed during iftar, the breaking of the fast, and it's a true taste of Indonesian hospitality. Chapter 5. Samosas, Pakistan's crispy delights. Let's head over to Pakistan now, where we're sinking our teeth into some crispy golden samosas. These delightful treats are a staple in Pakistani cuisine and are enjoyed by people of all ages. Whether you're walking through the bustling streets of Lahore or attending a family gathering, you're bound to encounter these delicious snacks. These triangular pockets of goodness are a street food icon, not just during Ramadan, but all year round. Vendors set up their stalls early in the morning, preparing fresh batches to meet the high demand. The aroma of frying samosas wafts through the air, drawing in crowds eager for a taste. Imagine a crispy, flaky pastry shell, filled with a savory mixture of spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes minced meat. Each bite offers a perfect balance of textures and flavors, with the crunch of the pastry giving way to the soft, flavorful filling inside. The spices used in the filling vary from vendor to vendor, making each samosa unique. They're deep-fried until golden brown and perfectly crispy. The key to a perfect samosa lies in the frying technique, ensuring that the pastry is cooked evenly and achieves that irresistible crunch. Watching the samosas sizzle in hot oil is a mesmerizing sight, and the end result is a snack that's hard to resist. Dip them in tangy chutneys or sauces for an extra burst of flavor. Popular accompaniments include mint chutney, tamarind sauce, and even yogurt-based dips. These condiments enhance the taste of the samosas, adding a refreshing contrast to the rich, savory filling. Samosas are the perfect snack or light meal, and they're sure to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're enjoying them as a quick bite on the go or as part of a larger meal, samosas never disappoint. Their versatility and deliciousness make them a beloved treat in Pakistan and beyond. So next time you find yourself craving something crispy and flavorful, remember the humble samosa. Chapter 6. Marrakesh, Lebanon's flavorful flatbread. Next, we're making our way to Lebanon to savor the incredible flavors of Marrakesh. This journey will take us through bustling markets, where the aroma of freshly baked bread fills the air, and the vibrant energy of the streets is palpable. Lebanon, a country known for its rich history and diverse culture, offers a culinary experience that is both unique and deeply rooted in tradition. This Levantine flatbread is a staple in Lebanon and a beloved Ramadan treat. During the holy month of Ramadan, manakish is often enjoyed as part of the iftar meal, the meal that breaks the daily fast. The communal aspect of sharing this delicious bread with family and friends adds to its significance and charm. Imagine a soft, chewy dough that's topped with a variety of delicious ingredients. The process of making manakish starts with preparing the dough, which is kneaded to perfection until it reaches the right consistency. This dough is then allowed to rest, giving it time to develop its characteristic texture and flavor. The most popular topping is za'atar, a fragrant blend of herbs, sesame seeds, and sumac. This traditional spice mix not only adds a burst of flavor, but also carries with it the essence of Middle Eastern cuisine. The aroma of za'atar as it bakes into the dough is simply irresistible. You can also find manakish topped with cheese, minced meat, or a combination of all three. Each topping brings its own unique taste and texture, making every bite a delightful experience. Cheese adds a creamy richness, while minced meat provides a savory depth that complements the bread perfectly. It's baked to perfection in a hot oven, resulting in a crispy crust and a soft, flavorful center. The high heat of the oven ensures that the bread cooks evenly, creating a beautiful contrast between the crunchy exterior and the tender interior. Whether enjoyed fresh out of the oven or at room temperature, manakish remains a beloved dish that captures the heart and soul of Lebanese cuisine. Get ready for a taste of Malaysia with murtabak, a savory stuffed pancake that's a true Ramadan favorite. Originating from the Middle East and brought to Malaysia by Indian Muslim traders, murtabak has become a beloved dish across the country. This dish is all about rich flavors and satisfying textures. The outer layer is crispy and golden brown, while the inside is bursting with a delicious filling. Imagine a thin, crispy pancake that's cooked to perfection on a hot griddle. The sizzle and aroma are simply irresistible. It's then filled with a savory mixture of minced meat, onions, garlic, and aromatic spices. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. The murtabak is folded into a square and served hot, ensuring that every bite is warm and satisfying, often with a side of curry dipping sauce or pickled onions. These accompaniments add an extra layer of flavor, making the dish even more delightful. It's a hearty and flavorful dish that's perfect for breaking the fast. Whether enjoyed at a bustling street market or at home with family, murtabak brings people together with its comforting taste and rich heritage. Our culinary journey now takes us to Saudi Arabia, where we're indulging in sambusek, small savory pastries that are a staple during Ramadan. These little pockets of goodness are similar to empanadas or samosas, and they're filled with a variety of delicious ingredients. You can find sambusek filled with spiced minced meat, cheese, or even vegetables. They're deep-fried until golden brown and crispy, and they're best enjoyed hot out of the fryer. Let's head back to India for a taste of jalebi, a sweet treat that's as beautiful as it is delicious. These bright orange swirls are made from a fermented batter that's deep-fried and then soaked in a sugar syrup. The result is a crispy, crunchy exterior and a soft, syrupy interior. Jalebi is often served with a dollop of rabri, which is sweetened condensed milk, or a side of creamy kulfi Indian ice cream. It's a sweet and indulgent treat that's perfect for special occasions like Ramadan. Our final stop takes us to the United Arab Emirates, where we're finishing our food tour with lukaimat, small sweet dumplings that are a beloved Ramadan dessert. These little bites of happiness are made from a yeasted dough that's deep-fried until golden brown and crispy. They're then drizzled with a generous amount of date syrup or honey and sprinkled with sesame seeds. Lukaimat is best enjoyed fresh and warm, and it's a sweet and satisfying way to end a meal during Ramadan. Wow, what an incredible journey through the world of Ramadan street food. From savory soups and stews to crispy snacks and sweet treats, we've explored a diverse range of flavors and culinary traditions. Ramadan is a time for reflection, community, and of course, delicious food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious content. Let us know in the comments which street food you're excited to try.